Hello Instagram users, I'm back with a brand new video of Instagram series. In this video, I will show you two methods to send direct message from Instagram PC. So in first way, you'll have to add an extension to your browser, and in the second way you can do that using instagram.com. So if you don't wanna install any third-party application to your browsers due to some privacy concerns, then I will recommend you to go with my second way that I will share in the latter part of this video. So let's start our video. Okay, first I will show you the process, how it works, that, and then I will show you from where you can get this extension. Okay, now you can see that I can just send messages just like my mobile phone. So I will show you from here. Okay, so that's done. So I can send messages just like my mobile phone using this extension, and other things I can use Instagram just like my mobile phone. I can post with my pictures and I can send direct messages using this extension. So now I will show you from where you can get this application. Go to google.com and write here direct message or Instagram, and open the first link in the Google search, and it will redirect you to Google Chrome Web Store. Okay, this is the extension. You'll have to add this extension to your Google Chrome browser, and then it will ask you to log into your account. So okay, I've already added this to my Google Chrome browser, and then this is the browser. It will be here. So you will just have to click here and the Instagram will be appear here, and then you can send messages using this extension. Don't want to install this extension, or you don't want to install any third-party application due to some privacy concerns, then I will show you the other way by which you can send messages. Okay, so what you need to do is go to instagram.com, and as you can see that I've got no option to post my pictures. I've got no options to send messages from here. So what I need to do is, okay, right click here, and just you can see that inspect here at the bottom. Click here, and now you can select any mobile phone from here. So I've selected Galaxy S5. Then refresh this page. Okay, don't forget to refresh this page, then otherwise you'll not get options. So now you can see that I've got options to post pictures, I've got options to send messages. So just I will have to click here, and then I can send messages to anyone. Okay, this is the pretty simple trick. I can use my Instagram from instagram.com without using any third-party application. So I will recommend this way to use your instagram.com just like mobile phone on your Instagram PC. So that's how you can send direct messages from Instagram PC. So that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my future videos. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.